Does this look like your yard? Do you have all of these leaves to pick up? I've got a helpful idea for you. This is a review of the Leaf and Lawn Chute. This is a great tool for in the fall when you're trying to bag your leaves. So it comes flat like this. It's made out of a corrugated plastic, so it's as light as corrugated cardboard, but because it's plastic, it'll hold up to all of the wet leaves and debris that you get when you're trying to do yard cleanup. And it is designed to fit in any standard leaf bag. This one's from Lowe's, but I've found that all of these bags tend to be the same size. So one of the ways that you can get it in there is to fold it up, put it in your bag, open up the flaps, and then from the front you just bend one side and then the other side, and it turns into a chute. And it holds the bag upright while you're trying to fill it. Here's the task. See all those leaves? This is going to be bag 34 for me this season. But let's see this chute in action. I'm going to pick up my leaves, and in they go. And even in a very empty bag, they go in easily. Another way that you can use this is you can just lay the chute down on the ground and rake directly into the bag. I don't like this method as well, but everybody has their own methods. And if you had a smaller rake, I think this would work even better. But you can see even with very wet leaves, it holds up well and gets everything down in the bag. So when you get your bag all full, all you need to do is pull the chute out and fill up the next bag. This has saved me so much aggravation. You should try one too. Thanks for watching.